Hi friends, welcome to Pixie Pantry. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive the notifications of my new and upcoming videos. Also, do like the video if you find my recipe interesting. So, let's get started. Today we'll be making chole chapati. Chole is going to be my style and chapati is going to be my mother-in-law's style. I'm taking 1.5 cup of Kabul chena, that is white chole. We're going to wash this and soak it overnight. I had already soaked chole last night itself. Now I'm taking a big chopper over here. If you don't have this big chopper, you can use a smaller chopper. I'm taking 3 medium-sized onions, 2-inch ginger, about 10 to 12 garlic cloves, and 3 green chilies. Put everything in the chopper. If you don't have a chopper, that's alright. You can just finely chop everything. Using a chopper will reduce your work, so it's better to always have a chopper at home. As you can see, the onion, chili, garlic and ginger have all been finely chopped. I'm going to empty it onto a plate because I need to use the chopper to chop tomatoes. In the same chopper, I'm going to add 3 big tomatoes. You can either use the chopper or blend it, or you can also use tomato puree. So chop it coarsely like this. Now to a pressure cooker, I'm going to add the soaked chole. Keep the flame on low. I'm adding the chopped mixture of onion, garlic, chili and ginger. Now we'll add the chopped or blended tomato. Mix it well. Add salt as per your taste. Half a spoon of turmeric powder. This is black salt. I'm adding about 1/4 spoon. About 1 small spoon of red chili powder, Kashmiri lal mirch, 1 spoon of coriander powder, dhania powder, half a spoon of jeera powder, now add water. You have to add water so that the chole is completely submerged, and a little bit more on top of that, let's say about 1 inch. Mix everything well. And close the lid. Now you have to cook this for 3 whistles on high flame and then 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Now, while we wait for the pressure to release, we are going to mix our chapati dough. In a wide bowl, I'm going to add 4 scoops of wheat flour. Add salt as per your taste. I'm adding about 3/4 spoon of sugar, gives a nice caramelization, and about 2 spoons of oil. Mix all the dry ingredients well first. And adding little bit of water, make it into a dough. Cover it with a wet cotton cloth so that the dough doesn't dry up. Now the pressure has been released from the cooker. Let's open it. Let's check if the chole has cooked. Yeah, it is buttery soft. Now we need to remove all the gravy water into a bowl, so I'm using a sieve. That right down there is the flavorful gravy water. Now to the same cooker, I've just rinsed it. Add about 2 spoons of homemade ghee. Once the ghee is hot, I'm adding about 4 cloves, 3 to 4 cloves, about an inch of cinnamon stick, 1 spoon of jeera, now we are going to add the dry mixture. We're going to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Once it's done, now it's time to add the flavorful gravy water. Add salt as per your taste. You can adjust the consistency as per your requirement. You can add more water if you feel the gravy is thick, but make sure you add hot water. I'm not closing the lid so that the pressure is formed, just placing it on top. So once you get a boil, continue to boil for about 3 to 4 minutes, just tasting to check if the salt is alright. I'm adding half a spoon of sugar, enhances the flavor. The choice is up to you. And a handful of kasuri methi, crush it in between your palm. Make sure to add the kasuri methi after boiling it for 3 to 4 minutes. It's time to add dhania, coriander, here we have it, our quick and easy chole recipe. It's really light, flavorful and yummy. Now I'm going to show you how my mother-in-law makes chapatis. Take a medium-sized lemon-sized ball of atta. I'm rolling it so that it's the size of my palm. It might be a little bigger than my palm. So at this stage I'm spraying some oil. You can apply it using a brush or a spoon. After spraying the oil, I folded it twice. Now we are going to roll out these triangle shaped chapati dough into a circle. Do not roll it too thin. Once it's roasted on both sides well, we are going to plate it now. I must tell you, it is really light. It doesn't feel heavy at all. You can eat 3 or 4 chapatis more instead of just having 2. And it tastes really amazing. You can squeeze some lemon to enhance its flavor, give you that tangy feel. Superb chapati and chole. It's an amazing lunch option, dinner option, or breakfast option. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.